This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Fioretti. Charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on a quiet street in the heart of Marco Island. This lovely house has recently undergone extensive renovations. These updates include a new roof, complete rewiring of all electric wiring throughout the home, a new rainbird irrigation system with new sprinkler heads throughout front and backyards, installation of a key-locking 6-foot white vinyl privacy fence, a new mini-split air conditioning system for the garage, extensive landscaping of both the front and backyards, including complete re-sodding with zoysia grass. The kitchen has been updated with new backsplash, fan and lighting. Original terrazzo floors have been completely refurbished and look absolutely wonderful. The home has impact-resistant glass as well as storm shutters protecting all sliding glass. Whether you are looking to buy an investment property, a seasonal home, or will be living year-round in beautiful Marco Island, you will be buying peace of mind, knowing this home is incredibly well constructed and intelligently updated. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Fioretti at 239-370-3200.